What's good, YouTube? This here's Jimmy Chestnuts coming at you with another video. Alright, I got an ROAK here from my brother, Johnny Iroc. Yeah, in case you don't know what an ROAK is, it means Random Act of Kindness. And it is Christmas time. We want to get in the Christmas spirit. It's a giving time, and yeah, you want to be giving. It makes you feel good. So, let's hope that Johnny knows what I like. We got here. Oh, you know how I love my clown cars. Alright? Shout out to that one juggalo, Sergio Castaneda. I know you would love this one, huh? The clown car. This is the Craze Clown series. I love it. He knows what my brother, he knows what I like. Oh, look at that. It's an evil clown. Treats for creeps, I scream. Oh, the Craze Clown, Tropicool. I love it. Thank you so much, Johnny. I'm gonna cherish this one. It's going right up on my wall. Oh! The Demolition Dairy Delivery. Unbelievable. These are beautiful castings. I love the artwork on here. Look at that. You got a griffin where the eagles will not dare. I love it. Look at this beautiful piece. It's a beautiful piece. Beautiful piece. The dairy delivery. All right. Keeping along with the my light went out. All right. I got technical difficulties. Excuse me. What do I look like, a professional? Huh? I'm just here making YouTube videos. I just started. Give me a break, okay? I'll fix the light next time. Alright? What we have here is the Hot Wheels Speedy Delivery. Another cool car from my brother. Johnny Iroc knows how to hook it up. Okay? This is where it's at, Mattel. Okay? Get with it. More combat medics. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Oh, there's my light again. Thank you. Thanks for joining us. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Huh? What do you think of these beefy castings? Huh? Does it make you get in the mood for some dairy deliveries? Alright, I think I'm in the mood for my mother's milk. There's nothing else in here. An ROAK. Johnny, what's wrong with you? You shipped 3 cars? These cars are barely even worth the price of shipping. Come on, Johnny. Jimmy Chestnuts don't take just 3 cars. 3 cars? Only 3 cars in 1 box. Get out of here. Get out of here with this. You're wasting my time. You're wasting the mailman's time. He's got Christmas cards to deliver. I mean, I'm not taking anything away from these beautiful castings. Okay? But, a double-decker. Lay 3 more on here, fit it in the box, good to go. Now it's worth shipping. Alright? You're wasting my time. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and be a man. Tell me, what do you think of the dairy delivery? What do you think about shipping? Huh? Is 3 cars enough to ship? Huh? It's not even a treasure hunt. These are main lines. Get with it. Get with it, Johnny. Get with it. Anyway, thanks for watching and subscribing and liking all my videos. Until next time, this here's Jimmy Chestnuts coming at you with another video.